Hey guys, welcome back. And today we get on to the next version of max function. As we had mean A, we have max A as well. Now it works in a similar way, but on the opposite side. As what mean did, we have max A, which finds the max of numbers, but it has a hidden quality such as it works perfectly on negative data, manages big arrays that consist of non-numeric data points as well. It allows you to have 255 level of arguments. So there could be from 1 to 255 arguments in a particular uh, max function. Yeah. And it also works with other max function or any other functions that are available in Excel. Now, the core difference between max A and max function is max function exclude text and booleans, whereas max A does not. So it does include the text and the boolean functions. Yeah. So let's understand. We'll use the same example that we had for mean A. So we have this max A over here. So we'll change the syntax, and we are finding ratings of max rating. So it gives you the same output as max. Let's see for mean A of category, that is max A of categories, which is a text data type. You get 0 for this because it evaluates text to 0. Yeah. Same way, if I want to get the maximum of my expenses, it gives me the same output as we had for max. If we want to have a max of dates, let's see what is the output. It gives me the same output as I have for max. Yeah. But if I try to get the max of value, which is which are mixed values. Here, as you can see, I have this quantity as well as category. Let me add the Boolean values as well, which are available here, true, false, and see what it gives the max as. So it still gives me 250 as the max expenses, a max quantity. Yeah. Lastly, if I have non-numeric value within the max A function, it gives me a value error. Yeah. So the max function works exactly as what main function does, but with few changes, but it will give you the max of the value. You need to understand the first value in this data set, which is the max A function. So I have the same function as syntax. The only difference is from mean, it changes to max A. Yeah. Whereas the output more or less remains the same given the mean and max the opposite thing of it. Now, these values that we enter in the arguments, you can have up to 255 such arguments in max A. Okay. So this is how the max A function works. So this is how the max function works, and you can use it to get various outputs. Now, suppose you have an error being shown in your data. Yeah. So it will still give you a error. So if I say max A, yeah, and if I try to get a max of these two values with an error, it will give me a value error. So the data should not, or the range or the specified cells should not have any kind of error to get the output as required. Hope I was able to make the concepts clear on the maxa functions. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get the notification of my latest videos that gets uploaded on YouTube. And also it will motivate me towards getting or creating such free content for your people. Thank you so much.